Elliott Jets is proud to present this 2001 Citation XL with engines 100% covered on the JSSI plan. As one of the most popular business jets ever built, the Citation XL combines the best in light jet flexibility with mid-size comfort, low operating cost, and with the two-place forward divan option, accommodates up to 8 passengers. With excellent short field performance operating easily out of 4,000-foot runways and can direct climb to 41,000 feet. Its performance allows you to operate out of more airports while still enjoying the comforts of a mid-sized jet. This aircraft has averaged only 270 hours per year since new, and the engines are 100% covered on the JSSI engine plan. It features an externally servicing LAV and a low-time APU, allowing you to cool the aircraft in the summer and heat it in the winter before your passengers arrive. The exterior of this aircraft has paint in overall white with black and gold striping. It features low Presti wing and belly boom beam lights for maximum pilot visibility in the dark. It has also been upgraded with low-maintenance LED navigation lights. The Citation XL has 80 cubic feet of external baggage, as well as an additional 10 cubic feet available in the cabin, the largest in its class. It is also equipped with trailing link landing gear for soft and comfortable landings and taxiing. Over 18 feet in length, this large cabin is equipped with the most desirable seating configuration for this model, which includes a 2-place forward divan, 4-place forward club, and dual aft forward-facing seats. This configuration allows for up to 8 passengers. It also has a large forward galley refreshment center and storage cabinet. Avionics include Honeywell Primus 1000 IFCS avionics system. In addition, it is equipped with a dual FMS with the WAS upgrade, Universal SSDTU, and Garmin GDL69XM weather, shown on a Garmin GM-X200 multifunction display. With engines covered 100% on JSSI, 8 passenger seating, and several other aircraft upgrades, this beautiful 2001 Citation XL is an excellent value. Contact one of our dedicated team of highly trained aircraft sales, acquisitions, and appraisal representatives to help place you in this aircraft today. For more information on this 2001 Citation XL, please email us at sales@elliottjets.com or call 844-937-5387.